Step 7. Open a business bank account. This is the one place where your DBA certificate comes in very handy. Take it to whatever bank you choose and open a business bank account. Look for those with free business checking and online bill pay. It's much easier to keep track of your business income and expenses, especially at tax time, if you keep your personal and business finances separate. Also, it looks more professional to your clients if they are writing a check or paying a bill to a business versus an individual. Step 8. Get a phone. Using your cell phone may be a simple and obvious choice. You'll be out and about and people can contact you wherever you are. I recommend getting a dedicated business phone number, even if you are using the same phone for both personal and business calls. Some affordable options for a dedicated business phone number are Vonage or Google Voice. Vonage costs $10 to $25 a month for unlimited calling and gives you an alternative phone. You can use it at your office and have it forward to your cell phone while you are out. Google Voice is free and gives you a separate phone number but rings to your cell phone, so you are using up your cell phone minutes. It's important to establish your available hours and post them on your website. Even so, people can and will call at any time of the day or night. Back in my early days, I used my home phone as my business phone. More than a few times I hastily answered the phone in the middle of the night thinking it was an emergency and found myself talking to a panicked potential client who was feeling overwhelmed. Or the person would just hang up because they were expecting to get voicemail. And those that didn't hang up would sometimes launch into their life story, not considering that it was the middle of the night and they just woke me up. I'll tell you another thing. None of those people that I was polite to and spoke to in the middle of the night ever actually hired me. Even this morning, I had a voicemail from a client who called my office at 2:20 a.m. to cancel her appointment for today. People assume they are calling an office and will just get voicemail after hours. Even if you have a business line, if your phone is in your home, I suggest turning it off or on silent at night. Also, if you are using your cell phone as a business phone, you need to be prepared anytime and anywhere you answer the phone to talk business and sell yourself. If you cannot do this for whatever reason, then definitely get a separate phone for business. Also, be sure to set up a professional voicemail greeting that states your business name and lets people know when they can reach you. Step 9. Get insured. As an organizer, you are always handling your clients' valuables and often breakables. Accidents happen, and if that vase you bumped off the shelf happens to be worth $10,000, you'll be glad you're insured. Insurance also protects you against any liability if you or someone else is injured due to your work. To obtain business liability insurance, you can contact your local insurance agent or go through the National Association of Professional Organizers insurance partner, NAPOSURE. If you want to make sure your insurance covers at least the following areas: personal property of others, property at other premises, valuable papers and records on or off premises, business personal property, business income and extra expense, your personal effects, and your property off premises. Step 10. Set up systems. So now you've got your business ducks in a row, it's time to set up the systems you'll need in the day-to-day running of your business. The initial systems you'll want to have in place are a calendar system. If you want to be an organizer, chances are you are already using some sort of calendar system. Find a way to define business versus personal appointments. A contact resource management system. If you're unfamiliar with a CRM, it's basically a database on steroids. It goes beyond just capturing contact information. You can use it to manage and organize your contacts and take your marketing to the next level. A filing and paper management system. Just as you would do for your clients, set yourself up with a paper and computer filing system and a system for processing incoming paperwork. And a bookkeeping system. Tracking your finances is essential. I recommend using accounting software like QuickBooks. However, especially when you are starting out, a simple spreadsheet works just as well. Familiarize yourself with tax and expense categories. Whatever system you use, make sure you update it regularly. If finances are not your thing, then hire a bookkeeper or a virtual assistant. Either way, it pays to be organized. And a client communication system. Setting up phone scripts and email templates are a great way to be confident in what you're going to say before the phone rings. Having a questionnaire or checklist is helpful for handling intake calls. That way you won't hang up and realize you forgot to ask the client their name. Oops. To avoid overloading you with information, I am just touching on the functions of each of these systems. I go into great detail on how to set up and effectively use these systems in our Business 201 Systems for Success e-course. Let's talk about some keys to success. Use our free 10 steps checklist and do these steps before you start working with clients. If you wait, you may find yourself too busy to get these critical things done. You can check your notes and refer to our comprehensive course handout as you progress. And you can rewatch the webinar anytime by signing into the Organizing You website. So how do you take the next step? As a gift to you, we've asked our favorite web designer to offer a free phone consultation to help you get started building a world-class website. So contact Boss Officeworks to schedule your consultation. Just tell them Organizing You sent you. You can sign up for a one-on-one business coaching session with a member of the Organizing You team. We can help you with any area of your organizing career. And coaching is included in all of the organizer training packages, so contact us today to schedule a session. And don't forget to take advantage of the 20% off coupon we emailed to you to expand your knowledge even more. Thank you for attending Business 101, 10 Steps to Set Up Your Organizing Business. You are well on your way to becoming a successful professional organizer. Please email us anytime with questions, comments, or feedback at info@organizingyou.com. We'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful and organized day.